Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a headlight on a Toyota RAV4. First, let's prepare. You'll need a few basic tools, like a Phillips head screwdriver and your new headlight bulb. Always make sure your vehicle is turned off and the engine has cooled down completely before you begin. This ensures your safety and prevents any accidental burns. Now, let's find the headlight assembly. With your tools ready, the next step is to gain access to the bulb. You'll typically find a few clips or screws securing the headlight assembly. Carefully remove these, then gently pull the entire assembly forward. This creates enough space to work. Once it's loose, disconnect the electrical connector attached to the back of the old bulb. It usually has a small tab to press. Now it's time to replace the bulb itself. Depending on your specific model, you might twist the old bulb counterclockwise or unclip it from its housing. Carefully remove it. When handling the new bulb, always hold it by its plastic base. Avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb firmly into the socket. Almost done? Reconnect the electrical connector to your brand new bulb. Make sure it clicks securely into place. Then, carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its original position. Reinstall all the clips and screws you removed earlier, ensuring everything is snug. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to confirm it's working perfectly. Great job!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.